Here's the Elliott wave forecast for April 10th, 2012. The worst case scenario is that the drop from 13,290 to 13,025 was wave 1, and then the move from 13,025 to 13,100 is wave 2, and we've entered a downward 3. A downward 3 would target as low as 12,700 to the downside if this is 1, 2, 3. There's a possibility that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we need to have a reversal over a 13,100 minimum to set up at least an upward 2 or even an impulse. But the worst case scenario again, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we target as low as 12,700. For S&P, best case scenario, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, gap down 5, but we need a rally over 140250 to set up an upward 2 or break out above the top of the previous 4. But if this is 1, 2, 3, the lowest target would be as low as 1350 to 1355 to the downside. That'd be 1, 2, 3. But again, the best case scenario, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when we reverse over 140250 in the coming days. For NASDAQ, best case scenario, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we rally over 3084 approximately, set up at least number 2. Worst case scenario, this is 1, 2, 3, and we target as low as 2970 to the downside and a downward 3. But it all depends on how the gap is in the coming days or tomorrow. If we gap up, then we can probably take out 3082 and form at least an upward 2 to prevent a downward 3. For NDX, this is the strongest of all the indices, and this looks more like ABC. A C wave would target as low as 2700 to the downside if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a C wave. But NDX is the strongest index out of the 4 indices right now, and this is not setting up for a downward 3, more like an ABC. And I would suspect the lowest target would be 2700. Also, we can take out 2765 in the coming days. That's a wrap.